Hello everyone, this is Yuchai from GasGen's. In this video, I will introduce GasGen's Yuchai 200 kW gas generator Set-YGLS200PNOA. GasGen's is a professional one-stop provider of natural gas generator set by gas generator set solutions, offering natural gas, biogas, liquefied petroleum gas, and biomass gas generator set. GasGen's is committed to providing high-quality products and services that meet the diverse needs of our global customers. Yuchai 200 kW gas generator set is a 200 kW natural gas-fueled power generation equipment suitable for industrial, commercial, civil, and emergency scenarios, and can be used as a main or backup power source. The GasGen's set model is Set-YGLS200PNOA with a rated power of 200 kW. It's equipped with the Yuchai energy model YC67K315N B30 and the Quanyi generator model QY1274K. It features an EMF control panel for monitoring and protection, and is complemented by components such as shock absorbers as a radiator to a stable operation. The power factor of its gas generator set is 0.8 lagging, with a 24-volt electric start method, an output voltage of 400 to 130 volts, and its wiring method is 3-phase for wire-wide connection. Its frequency is 50 Hz. Rated power is 200 kW. Rated current is 360 ampere. Size is 3050 mm by 1150 mm by 1795 mm, and weight is 2200 kg. The maximum power of the engine is 231 kW. The rated speed is 1500 RPM. The power is 210 kW. The bore stroke is 123,145 mm, and the fuel consumption is 0.3 cubic meters per kilowatt-hour. Its intake method is supercharging and intercooling. Its lubrication method is forced lubrication. Its cooling method is cold cooling. Its compression ratio is 11:1, and its displacement is 10.34 liter. The fuel used is natural gas, with a pre-mixing method for air-fuel mixture formation. The gas source pressure ranges from 0.33 to 0.7 megapascal, and the calorific value is not less than 26.6 kilograms per cubic meter. The rated capacity of the generator is 250 kWh, with H-class insulation and IP23 protection. And the voltage adjustment range is not less than plus or minus 5%. Its steady-state voltage regulation rate is not more than plus or minus 1%. The load efficiency is 92.6%, and the control method is AVR voltage control. Its gas energy has high thermal efficiency, is more energy efficient, has stable and low natural gas prices, improves economy, and can use clean energy and reduce pollutant emissions. It uses components from Yuchai, Quanyi, and SmartGen technology, and has the characteristics of stable performance, easy maintenance, low cost, high intelligence, and can also be unmanned, monitored, and adapted to a variety of environments. It also provides warranty materials. The warranty period is 1 year or 2,000 hours, whichever comes first. Overseas customers can enjoy remote guidance and mail and accessory services. Based on our rich experience and resources, GasGen is able to provide customized services to meet different customer demand. You are welcome to contact our professional service team to explore our premium solutions. Thanks for your time with us. Welcome to contact GasGen at any time. For more details about our company, products, and services, you are welcome to visit our homepage www.gasgen.com.